Looking to upgrade your vehicle's sound system without the headache of complicated wiring? This wire harness is designed to plug directly into your factory radio, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. It powers up to 4 speakers, giving you a richer, clearer audio experience without rewiring your entire setup. I recently installed this harness in my 2006 Freightliner Columbia, and the difference was immediate. It fit perfectly with the OEM radio, no modifications needed. The package includes everything you need, just the wire harness and a clear manual to guide you through each step. Plus, it arrived ahead of schedule, so I could get started right away. If you want a reliable solution that saves time and effort while enhancing your sound system, this wire harness is worth a look. It's built to fit seamlessly with factory radios, so you get what matters most: easy installation and solid performance. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride's audio without the fuss.